What's up, peeps? Thanks for joining me. My name's Dan Warren, and this is Day One Adventures and Day One Tech. And today's adventure, I'm going to tell you about my adventure, like why I started this channel and how I got to where it's at right now. In this video, I'm going to try to cover my journey. Hopefully, I'll share some of my tips, some of the things that helped me out along the way, some of the technology. If you want to find out about doing YouTube, stay tuned and I'll share my experience with you. I had always been into technology. I had always liked technology, geek stuff, movies. I was a nerd in school, so I was always into that stuff. And in fact, I had uploaded my first video to YouTube in 2007. I don't even remember what it was, but that's what it says. So I've always been uploading, you know, family events, weddings, birthday parties, all kinds of stuff like that. Then at my job, around 2016, they were doing this initiative. They wanted people to start learning different skills, and they asked me, what would be your dream thing? And I said, I want to do a TED Talk. Little did I know that would have started me on an adventure that is today YouTube. By saying that I wanted to do a TEDx talk, I had to start doing some research on it, and there was one down in Wilmington, and I had to submit a video. Did the video, and I kind of liked it, and I learned a lot about YouTube in itself. And that video title was Stay Curious. So I kind of started dabbling even more. I had a drone, and I would do drone videos and different things, and found out the best camera to use is the one you have. So I didn't have a lot of money, so I started using my cell phone. And that I probably would say to this day, with all the cameras that I have, cell phone is still the thing to go with the gimbal. Perfect match. It's nice, easy. A lot of people don't give you a lot of static about taking it in different places. It fits nice, and they have them down to the size where it fits in your pocket. Two of the ones that I like are the DJI and the Insta360. They both make great gimbals. The Insta360 really breaks down to a small size. I decided when I was going to do this channel, what was it going to be about? So I thought about it and I said, oh, get your geek on. People are always asking me about the movies. They knew I like the Star Wars movies, sci-fi, Avengers. So they would always ask me about those movies, and they would always ask me about different technologies, like different phones, cameras, stuff like that. So somewhere I heard it, a good way to get started is to answer a question. And I sat there and I thought about the questions that most people ask me, and it was about those things. So I started Get Your Geek On. From that, I just would do videos randomly, keep learning, watching other creators, getting tips and everything, finding a community. And I went through a phase where I changed the name of that. So it went from Get Your Geek On to Damon Warren, started using my name, and that channel started doing really good. I got it over 100 subscribers, and then it just going and going. I would say about 2019 was the first year that I really was in that channel, and it was doing great. And I would alternate. I would do like a little nerdy geeky thing, like a phone review or how to set up something, and then I do an adventure. And then the pandemic happened. I didn't know what I was going to do videos on. I knew the tech stuff was still going to be around. I decided to split the channel. I decided to niche down on the channel. So I focused the Damon Warren channel on just doing technical stuff, and then that way people could go there for the drones I was going to use, and cameras and gimbals and home alarms, how to set up different things, because there was a big need for that. And then I set up the other channel. I didn't even have a name at that point. I would just set up the other channel, and I knew that was going to be my adventures for whatever was going to going on. And that's how I started the two channels. And I came up with the name Day One Adventures. When I first moved to Delaware, that weekend was crazy. I got into a car accident. It was like I had started my whole life over moving to Delaware. And my now wife, girlfriend at the time, she said, well, today's your day one. And I said, you know what? You're right. And I thought that's what it is for everything, right? Getting started is probably the hardest thing. And just realizing that there's a point where you just say, okay, today's going to be my day one. What happened yesterday? Okay, today's my day one. And I just started doing that. And then I changed the other channel name to Day One Tech. That's why I do this. I like to answer a lot of questions on the tech channel, you know, what people are interested in, and a lot of companies will reach out to me and say, hey, we have this new thing. Would you mind testing it? I say, yeah, I'll test it. You know, I'll check it out. You know, people like it. I put out the video. And then on this channel, since now I'm able to travel a lot more and do different things, this is the day one adventures is really my passion. That's my passion. I like to go and experience different things, and then I also learned to focus on more local events and community events. It's a lot of fun. I really enjoy doing the day one adventures, connecting with the community. We have a thing we call the Raid Parade, which is on Fridays, and it's a bunch of creators get together and we kind of premiere all of our shows back after back. It's a cavalcade of creativity. And then there's a Saturday stroll. So there's a real good community out there. A lot of them are cruisers, artists, different things, people doing plants, and we all kind of help each other, critique each other, and help along each other. So it's really good to get in with the community. So I would say over all these years, the couple of things that I've really learned that have helped me the most, finding the community. The camera you use, whatever you have. Cell phones are great. Once you get a cell phone, then you look at lights, then you look at microphones, you know, build on what you have. Some of my best videos are, I just grab the cell phone, I say, somebody asked me this question, let me do a video on it, because that's showing a need right there. So don't worry about the equipment. Use what you have, build on that. A consistency in the community. Those are some of the things that I've really learned through all the different books and videos and all that other stuff. Is just, and enjoy what you're doing. Find your passion, find the question, find your community. That's what I would say. I really do appreciate this community. Thank you, everybody. If you have any questions, hey, hit me up in the comments. Hit that like button for me and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And until next video, remember, take care of each other, peace out, and I will see you all soon.